Gulat ka na, no? Kala mo si SK manalo. Kala ko rin. Kala mo si Brownie ng over the bakod. Hedge. Hi Reg, happy birthday. Special day mo to. Wish you all the best. Inunahan ko sa Angel. Yo. Script niya yun eh. Enjoy your day with your special someone. Pangit. And well, you're a very happy person, and I know in every little thing na ginagawa mo every day, you're enjoying it with no doubt. Ganda ng background ko. Wala na akong mahiling sa'yo. Alam ko fulfill mo lahat ng mga dreams mo. Sana more blessings to come pa. That's it. And turn na ni Angel, so ako nahahawak ng camera.
Ayun.